Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Hibberdine, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa for 875,000 rand. Townhousing complex with sea views. Price reduced. Well-maintained double-story townhouse in very secure complex with sea views. Top floor has 2 bedrooms and full bathrooms with open-plan fitted kitchen, dining room, and lounge that has sliding doors to the balcony with lovely sea views. Bottom floor guest room with main en suite and single lock-up garage. The complex has a clubhouse, communal pool, and bra area with laundromat. 1 km from main beach and shopping center. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.